Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the G sharp major, composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and with the bass note of G sharp. Then you will have the F minor, composed of the C, the F, and the G sharp, and with the bass note of F. Then you will have the C sharp major, composed of the C sharp, the F, and the G sharp, and with the bass note of C sharp. And then last chord, the D sharp major, composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Of course, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Since this song doesn't have an introduction, let's directly begin by the verse of the song. So let me display the table for you. So take the first chord, G sharp major, and play it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So on 1, you play bass and chord. 2, chord. And, which is offbeat, you play the bass note. Then 3, bass and chord. 4, chord. And bass note solo, which is offbeat again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Then the F minor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. C sharp major. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. D sharp major, the same way. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. The whole table would therefore give you this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 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 now with the lyrics. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. And here, just repeat the table one more time with the next lyrics. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we. And repeat again. So to play the entire verse, repeat this table 4 times in total. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So after the verse, you will reach the chorus and you will have a different table. So let me display it to you right now. And the cool part is that we're going to be able to keep the same method. Directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. And you repeat. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. And you repeat again. Listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, well, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. And at that very moment, you will have that particular chord descent. Perfect tonight. And I found a woman So just play all the chords once, and right after this, you will reach the second verse and second chorus, which are going to be identical to the first ones. And after the second chorus, you will have an interlude with the guitar solo, and for this section, just reuse the verse table and play it only once. And eventually, you'll be able to finish the song playing the chorus table one last time. I wish you good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.